G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic townhouse, unit number 7 in the popular Bayside community at La Piazza at Torquay. As usual, bit to take in, let's go take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise. Easy walking distance to the beach and esplanade along the vibrant Torquay shopping precinct in one of Hervey Bay's most highly sought after beachside suburbs of Torquay. Perfectly positioned in the secure gated community at La Piazza, this stylish and well-maintained townhouse will be ideal for those wanting a low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or a solid investment opportunity offering strong returns. Completed in 2004, La Piazza comprises a selection of only 22 tightly held, architecturally designed townhouses with a contemporary coastal design. A place where peace and privacy meet in the cosmopolitan heart of a thriving seaside community with secure gated entry and exit points. You will appreciate and enjoy the lifestyle of being able to stroll to key nearby amenities, including the Torquay Hotel and the bustling Torquay Beach shopping strip, which offers plenty of cafes and restaurant options to enjoy, as well as the convenience of having the Torquay Heights shopping centre with a service station, BWS, bakery, cheesecake shop, pizza shop and gym all nearby. Set over 2 levels, this large townhouse features high ceilings on the ground floor with a statement-wide double entry door, fresh interiors, quality finishes, and a spacious open-plan design for effortless indoor-outdoor living. It has been freshly repainted throughout and includes a great pet-friendly courtyard and features an intercom mobile app system to open the front gates remotely. The vast open-plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home on the ground floor and includes a reverse cycle split system cartridge air conditioning system for year-round comfort. The kitchen features a large island bench with a breakfast bar, providing ample preparation space along with generous storage and a pantry. All of the appliances have been upgraded in the last year and include an induction hot plate with a range hood, a pyrolytic wall oven and a dishwasher, completing this entertainer's delight. The dining and living area seamlessly connects with that wonderful alfresco outdoor entertaining area, complete with a private courtyard. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This fantastic townhouse includes 3 spacious bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan and a built-in wardrobe. The main bedroom is located on the ground floor, while the remaining 2 bedrooms are upstairs. The ground floor bedroom features a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a vanity, shower and toilet. And you've also got direct access outside to that private courtyard and entertaining area. There is also a separate powder room with a toilet on the ground floor, along with great storage underneath the stairs and a safe. Heading upstairs, you have 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The second large main bedroom located upstairs features a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning and direct access to a 2-way bathroom which includes a vanity, shower and toilet. You've also got a separate home office or study on the ground floor towards the entry, which will be perfect for those working from home. An oversized double garage provides vehicle accommodation with a remote panel lift door and offers direct internal access into the home, plus you've got a parking space to the front of the garage. The laundry is also located to the rear of the garage and offers direct access to the clothesline. Homes in La Piazza rarely become available and they're always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.